Hey, welcome back to my channel Techlogy. Today we will learn about three logical operators which are very important and very handy in Excel. These are if, and or. So let's say you want to categorize these students in terms of pass or fail based on the scores they have scored, irrespective of their attendance. So you can write it like this. Let's say you want to say that those students who are having 60 or more than 60 marks, they are pass, otherwise they are fail. So you can write this like this. First type if, then logical test. It means check score if it is greater than or equal to 60. If this is true, then write pass, otherwise write fail. That's straight. Now drag it to the bottom of the data. Sorry. Control Z. Now. Great. So only one person is failed because his score is less than 60. All the other candidates are having scores more than 60. Great. So if you want to add another thing, if you want to check that no matter their scores as well as their attendance must meet some criteria, some minimum criteria at the same time. So let's say attendance should be at least 80%. Then we can add another condition using AND operator. So it would be like this. When at the start, then second criteria should be greater than or equal to, let's say, 80, then AND buff. So this highlighted portion is basically now it's checking these two things. B2 should be greater than 60 or equal to 60. C2 greater than or equal to 80. So it is checking both of these conditions, and if and only if these two conditions are simultaneously true, only then it will be pass, otherwise it will be fail. So pressing it like this. Now, great. Now you can see that this person is fails because his, no matter how much score he has obtained, but his attendance is less than 80. So let's say we want to add, instead of AND, we want to use OR. What does it mean? It means this operator will check both these conditions, and if any of this condition is true, then it will be pass, otherwise it will be fail. So now you can see clearly, dragging to the bottom, all of them are pass, because even if he's having lesser score but his attendance is okay, or even if he's having less attendance but his score is okay. So any of the condition is true, then all will return positive or true, and if it is true, then pass will be written because of the if statement. So this is how if, and or work. And if you want to know more about these three operators, please ask in comments. I'll answer your comments. And moreover, please do like and subscribe my channel so that I may continue to do this educational work. Thank you so very much.